Okay, you probably noticed on the Cisco 2960 series that when you plug a new device in, the light will flash amber for about 30 seconds. This delay is the spanning tree protocol looking for loops. Goes for 30 seconds, a bit of a pain. So in this video I'll show you how to fix that. And I mean, it even does it when you just change a port. Comes up amber for about 30 seconds. Alright, so it's just cleared. Alright, let's get going. Okay, to get into the configuration, so we can do a fast port, not have those delays, you need PuTTY to a virtual terminal, and we'll put in the IP address of the switch. If you haven't followed my other video on initially setting your switch up, it's just hit my logo videos. There it is there. You don't need any special cables or anything. You just plug a computer into it and you actually can do basic configuration. Now if I type my IP address of the switch in a browser, I'll hit the device manager of the particular switch, and once again that video will show you how to do the express setup. It's very simple, but this has been set up, so we'll have a look. You can obviously change the setup later on by typing in the IP address. And here we want to have telnet access enabled, which it is. And what we're going to do, we're going to make these ports here 25 to 36 to immediately connect, instead of not do a spanning tree protocol. So get out of that and get into the switch configuration. This is where you can do everything if you telnet into it or SSH into it, but I haven't set up secure shell, so we're doing telnet and we're calling it switch 2. Saving it. You always got to save with this PuTTY thing whenever you change anything. And we'll go to it, double click it, and this is the password that you did in the express setup if you watch that video. Telnet passwords are here. Alright. Okay, you're in user mode at the moment. We want to go into privilege mode. Can't do much in here, so we enable, and it'll ask us for the switch password, and we've got that hash or pound sign, and we'll have a look at the running configuration, what it's actually configured like now. So we'll show, run, and just hit tab, and it'll type out the whole thing, the whole command. Building the configuration. And here's all your interfaces. They're all just standard. So now we want to change those particular ports. Yeah, 25 to 36. So we've got to go into global configuration, and that's configure terminal. So once again, I'm hitting tab to finish the command. So now we're in config mode. So we'll go interface range, because we want to do more than one. And the formats are somewhat different. So we'll just copy that. You copy by just highlighting and then right click to paste. And we want to go to 25 to 36. And this will make us talk to that range. So config interface range. That's what we're configuring, 25 to 36. So anything we put in here affects just 25 to 36. So we'll put in spanning, once again hit the tab, spanning tree, port fast. Okay, it warns you that you shouldn't be putting this on ports connected to switches, bridges, all that sort of caper. Might do a video on that sometime. And we'll just end to get out of config. And now we'll I'm getting back to the commands I've already put in by hitting up arrow and down arrow. So we'll show running config to see if that's affected the ports. And sure enough, 25 spanning tree port fast, 25 to 36. Okay, so that worked. And one thing you got to remember is to write the config to the running config. So we just do a WR. Alright, and let's go back to the switch and see if it's all good. Alright, let's see what happens now when we plug a new device in. Boom. Remove one. Kaboom. Alright, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. I've got more of these type of videos. They're pretty old switches, but they're bulletproof and they're cheap. Although new old stock, they're about $4,000. Can you believe that? I think I got this for $50. Anyway, see you later. Bye now.